Hey everybody, it's Thursday morning, May 4th, 2023. See where we are on the Astro Excel. Patterns tracking pretty well this week. We've hit bottom right here, bottomed out last night about 1700. Actual low came in a couple hours later. Now we're moving out of that green line low there, trading up. And now we're pushing back down into this little secondary green line bottom here. And after we get to this point, about by 10 o'clock this morning, the trend on the green line will be turning up, and that will go into tomorrow morning about 5 a.m. where it flattens out to down. Anyhow, that's what we're looking at. We've got downward pressure in the market. We've got the regional banking crisis going on. The bank stocks are tanking. Everything down in the night session. Gold set a new high yesterday, or this morning at least, touched into that area. And the Fed raised the interest rates again. That is not boding well for a big time bullish outlook, but we may get some kind of a bounce here today with the upward astro pressure.